One of the other ideas and strategies to be unforgettable is to be specific. Patricia Fripp says, specificity breeds credibility. It's about your credibility. So in Patricia's presence, there are two words you can never say. The words stuff and things. It drives her crazy and she will slap you. I mean it, physically slap you. So be careful. But you know, if she's not around, it's okay.
Fripp that.
Sorry, the new F word, fripp that. So the champs and me wanted to warn you.
Watch your grammar.
Sorry, I always get that I, me thing, I, you mixed up. The champs and I wanted to warn you.
Say that again.
The champs and I wanted to warn you.
Say that again.
The champs and I wanted to warn you.
Say that again.
The champs and I wanted to warn you. I can't do this anymore.
Darren, you know I can make you disappear.
Come on. Fripp that.